So today I'm going to be doing the Bob Ross painting challenge with this, and we'll see how that goes. I'm not really a good painter, but I thought I'd display some artwork. Let's get on with the video. I have no idea how I'm gonna edit this. We'll see how that goes. In the video, he uses oil paints, but these are just acrylics because I don't have oil paints. And I guess they're like really hard to use, as well, at least that's what Joanna said. The other YouTuber, we're really tight, just so you guys know. I think this is where it goes downhill when you keep adding more and more. This is like illegal in the artist industry, I think. Not assuming, of course, you know. So I got my like little like thinning for paints. I feel like Miranda sings. Oh my gosh. Oh, also I filmed this on my like front facing camera so I can look at myself because I like to do that. So like if my eyes are not looking at the right spot, are they even looking at the right spot? I don't even know. But yeah. Now I'm looking at the camera. Now I'm just like looking at myself. Okay. That's kind of a problem, and that's kind of a problem. So what I'm gonna do is go in with my Morphe 371 brush. Just kidding. Also, my friend Joanna, my good friend, you know, she did this and hers was beautiful. So I kind of have high expectations for my bestie. So that might be a little bit of a problem. Okay, I'm on the floor and I'm gonna beat the devil out of my brush. Oh geez, this is getting everywhere. Okay. Jeez, this brush is... So, I do not recommend beating the devil out of your brush because it can break. Oh, a cloud. Okay, then we might need a lot of light. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Bobby, what have you done to me? Actually, it looks okay. Oh no, no. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make these clouds a little bit more real. I'm not gonna use this, I'm gonna use a brush. Okay, now I'm gonna go with this brush. I love how this like actually looks good on the camera. Yeah, it looks really good on the camera. Not in person though. And then I'm gonna go with this tiny brush. That's so good. Wow, first compliment of the day. Come join me. Bob Ross is quaking. It's just not that good compared to that. Hi. It's so good. Jill's wearing her pajamas, so she can't really show her.
Her pajamas is PJs, boy.
Pajamas.
Looks so good.
Alright, I'm gonna go. Look at this. This is like, you know, those Instagram vids where they like come out the hair. You can use this with a brush, and it has like sharp needles in it. It like literally makes all your like old chunky brushes nice again. I don't know why YouTubers are like, oh my god, like, sorry, I can't put out one video a week when it's their freaking full-time job. I literally have made 2 videos. I made one on Saturday, and I'm making one now, and it's freaking Tuesday, and I've already posted the Saturday one. It's not that hard. I mean, I guess my editing's not good, but my editing took me 30 minutes. Quality, not quantity, but it's not even good videos. Like these videos right here, I know they're really good, and I don't know why they haven't gone viral yet as the Illuminati. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, we've made it. We have made it to the trees. Okay, I got this like color, I just found it, but it looks very like tree-like. Okay, that's good. My painting is done, guys. I'm actually very proud on how it looks. So, I don't want to drop it. Wow. That's actually really cool. So, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below on what my next video should be.